Hello and welcome back to your average level 1 tech. Today we're going to look at something simple, but for me, I couldn't make sense of it right away. I couldn't figure it out. Anyway, this little arm sight. Even though you have UniFi devices, UniFi things, motion sensors, water leak sensors, light sensors, even though you add them to your IoT devices, this does not automatically come on. So if you have any door sensors that you want to arm at night perhaps, or when you're not home, you don't have this option. So let me show you how I found out how you set this up. And if anybody knows of a better way, let me know as well. Okay, so it's really, I don't know. You guys can tell me if you know what your opinion is. I wish like the alarm manager down here, if you're looking at the bottom left here, alarm manager, and then you got your logs and your settings and also your admins. I wish they would just make this list just up here. I understand maybe they're not trying to make it too busy. Anyway, I digress. I wish they would rearrange this a little bit. But you go down here into alarm manager and you could probably notice something if you haven't set this up at your house, but wherever your workplace, wherever you set this up, you'll notice that this alarm profile is not there, but you have all these other built-in profiles already set up. So to get the arm button up here, you have to go into your alarm manager, and then basically you won't have this when your system is new, but all you simply have to do is go here, create new, and then let's say we'll call it away day, right? Like you want to, and then we want to do an activation delay. So basically that means all is like once you arm the house, you can arm it from the house, but you have a minute before all the sensors start to report whatever metric you want them to do. So there's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, obviously 1 minute here for me makes sense. You can set up a schedule if you want to, but we're not going to do that. You go here and then you save this. Then once you save it, you go back into your manage and select. Let's say we want to do a smoke, a CO2. Let's do a CO2 alarm. Okay, one alarm selected, and motion, and then we'll save that. You notice earlier if you don't select any of these other these are called the triggers in this column. If you didn't save any of these triggers, if you don't select any of the triggers, your profile will be grayed out until you come back in here and create one of those triggers. So I got those triggers set, and now I can save it. And now you could see that we have away day. The naming doesn't make sense, but you get the gist of it. Now, if I go back to my main tab here, you could see, and you can make as many of these. Obviously, you shouldn't probably make too many that becomes too cumbersome selecting when you wanting to arm or make the system do something. But you can't, what I found, you can't activate all the sensors at the same way. You have to pick one or the other. But then, and there you go. So then you could do away day, and then boom. And then it will activate, it will completely stop monitoring that in 1 minute. But yeah, that's as simple as it is, and obviously we don't want it to. So there you go. That's a countdown. So you click on it, 58 seconds, but we don't want to arm that. We're gonna cancel that, and we can just go back to the regular profile here. But yeah, so that's really the gist of it. I was scratching my head trying to figure out how do I get the arm button, and this is going to become way more important as UniFi releases probably more IoT things, yeah, and aimed at the prosumer like you and I that are watching this stuff. Anyway, that's all I have. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Until the next one, peace.